Wow, coffee at cafes are so expensive these days. One cup is the same price as a meal at the kopitiam.
At least it tastes better than your homemade coffee.
Come on lah, it's not that bad, okay?
Luckily, not in the food business.
Any business these days is not easy. You know, I'm trying to set up a new production line for wireless chargers. But this morning, I was woken up by a call from my procurement guy. He just received 5 new machines from our supplier. But he ordered them in the wrong specs. I had to call the supplier to explain. Luckily, he was nice enough to change it for us.
Oh, lucky. But how did all this happen?
Miscommunication lah. You see, I've got 150 people at all these different sites. Every day, they are sending files to each other. So the document the supplier got were either not up to date or updated wrongly. It's all done manually by my different department.
Imagine if you expand your business further.
Exactly. And this is not the first time this thing happens. Quite frustrating, right?
My company is not as big as yours, but I experienced similar problem last year, especially since the pandemic and working remotely. But how do you usually communicate with your employees?
We usually just email, text, or call. Why? What about you?
Before working from home, we preferred face-to-face discussion. But now, having all our collaboration online really helps. Either Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace, they are really good choices. So now we can just create a document online and work from there. And that means anyone can contribute and we can see all the latest changes and versions.
So it works the same as what I have on my computer?
Yes. So you don't have to worry about relearning anything and you can now access it from anywhere instead of going back to your computer to work from it. We can also do video meetings, and this way we've consolidated all our work chats. And we have stopped using instant messaging apps for work because they are prone to outages and have questionable security. I think this might work for you.
So is that the secret to creating your super app?
The real secret is having good coffee. No, but jokes aside, the past few months have been quite challenging also.
How come?
I've been thinking about how to beef up my cybersecurity. Because my company deals with customer personal data and financial transactions, I got to make sure there are no security gaps. But now that my entire team is working from home, my combination of solutions is just not as effective anymore.
I know what you mean. I also have so many people coming in and out of my site. I'm also worried someone will walk away with my data, especially data from our bigger clients. If anything happens, that's it, man.
So how do you manage that?
I'm not a tech person like you, but my friend advised me to sign up for Unified Threat Management. It's flexible and much easier to manage also. My IT department is not very big, so at least they don't have to worry so much. Plus, you can use government grants for this also.
Yeah, I've heard of it. So how is it?
You should try. Quite steady. At least I know it's 24/7 protection. Plus, there's a team managing this solution for me. Anytime, you can just give them a call. For a non-tech person like me, at least I feel at ease.
Expensive or not?
It's better value for money than this coffee.
Oh, coming from you, that says a lot. Because I'm actually quite tired and frustrated of finding different solutions and implementing it myself. Sometimes I wish there's just one provider for all these solutions.
Yeah, then finally we can concentrate on the actual work that needs to be done.
That's right. Important work like improving your coffee making skills. Okay, drink. Next round's on me.
You see one,